prep our dinner today. This is our roast for the Crockpot, and I'm going to rinse it and season it. I'm going to chop up some celery and some potatoes, and I'm going to use our packet from McCormick's for the roast. So this is the slow cooker packet from McCormick's. I'm also going to put in some onion soup mix as well as black pepper and garlic, 3 teaspoons each. The onion soup mix will be a tablespoon. I'm going to rinse my meat. It's okay for it to be slightly frozen because the Crockpot will cook it. Nice, beautiful roast. Before I show you the inside of the Crockpot, I'm going to get all my vegetables chopped up. I'm going to put in 4 celery stalks, chopped thin. I always use the top of the celery because that's where all the flavor is. Now you can see into the Crockpot. I'm going to go ahead and season the roast with 3 teaspoons of garlic, 3 teaspoons of fresh black pepper, I'm also going to dump in the rest of the packet of the onion soup mix because it's about a tablespoon, maybe slightly more. Going to give it a lot of extra flavor. Go ahead and throw in the celery. And we're going to cube some potatoes. Picked out these 2 beautiful russets. I am going to rinse them off, peel them, and then we'll cube them together. Let's go ahead and cube the potatoes now that they are peeled and rinsed. If you noticed, I haven't mentioned onions other than the onion soup mix because New York has a recall. I don't know if that's natural or not. And they don't know how long it's going to be before the onions are safe to eat again, is what they said on the news in the past few weeks. I'm all done with the cutting part. And I'm going to take the potatoes and put them around the roast. Then we're going to mix up the McCormick's packet and dump it on in. There's going to probably be leftovers, so tomorrow we might have shredded beef sandwiches for lunch. Those 2 potatoes were perfect. This is the McCormick's slow cooker. It's awesome. It doesn't taste fake or spicy like some of the lesser name brands. And it looks like we need to add 1 cup of water. So I'm going to fill this up to 1 cup, dump it in, mix it, and then we'll dump it into the crock pot. And dinner is prepped and it will simmer all day on low. There is a cup of water in there. And I'm going to open up the packet and dump it in. Mix it up with my wooden spoon. And we're going to dump it into the crock pot. Dump it on in. And then we're going to cover it. And then we'll check it around, I'd say 3:30, 4 o'clock. And it should be done and everything will cook all the way through thoroughly. Make sure it's on low and covered. 8 hours to cook. It's just about 4 o'clock and the beef and the potatoes are done. I'm going to put the beef and potatoes on a platter so you can see what it looks like, and dipping out the au jus into a gravy boat or some kind of deep cup.
I'm going to do the potatoes first.
I'm going to do the potatoes first, as you heard my husband. I'm going to put it onto the platter.
Looks so amazing.
It's been simmering all day. We've been busy all day. I have an all weekend to clean and do things with me video premiering on Monday.
Here comes part of the meat.
Look at it.
And that's just a piece of it.
It's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it.
Here's the other piece.
It's been smelling amazing all day.
Oh, I thought there was more meat.
And here comes more. And there's the rest of the meat.
The bag said
Here is what the chuck roast looks like on my plate with the potatoes and the corn.